Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar yen, I still think that we have two options. Option number one is this is going to be an ABC crescent to the last 5 waves up. It'll make 3 waves down to a percentage of this move up right here and then continue the uptrend. Option number two is that this is actually the end of a wave 5, which it looks like it could be. And this is going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go down, take out the low of wave 4. And notice it's exactly the same trading strategy, exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here, which is why I don't care whether it's an ABC or a 1, 2, 3. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, but like I said, it could be a 1, 2, 3. It definitely looks like impulsive down. It definitely looks like corrective up. We might actually get another push up to make a more proper looking ABC or B before we go down and make that wave C. It's definitely starting to look like that is the more likely scenario. Heading down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, to me, it does look like an expanding flat, and if it is an expanding flat, then it will definitely could just continue the downtrend because it looks like an A down, big impulsive down A, looks like 3 waves up A, 3 waves down B, and then it looks like an uptrend for a C. It definitely does have that characteristics of an expanding flat with the lower low wave B and higher high wave C. If, like I said, if that's true, then this will just keep on making lower lows, lower highs on this daily time frame and just keep on trending down. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour, we definitely do have a breaker structure, so we know for a fact that the trend is over from here to here. That doesn't mean that we are in a trend reversal. That just means that we may be either in a trend reversal or we may be in a crescent to the last push down. So this, to me, looks like a possible A, looks like a possible B. Kind of looks like we might go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels to a possible C. Or maybe it'll even stretch out into a 1, 2, 3 and turn into a complete trend reversal. But to me, it definitely looks like an ABC, especially with the fact that this looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think we need to make a wave 4, which if it is a wave 4, will probably only go to like the 38 or 50% max before it goes down and makes a wave 5. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely impulsive uptrend, breaker structure, most likely a wave A. 1, 2, 3 waves down. Actually, a very, very nice 3 waves down. Wave B. I think we're probably going to drift up to at least the 38 or the 50% for a wave C. If it goes up to one of these fib levels, makes an impulsive down, makes a breaker structure at either one of these fibs, then I would definitely take it as a short. Maybe it's a wave 5, or maybe it's just a subdivision of that much bigger downtrend that I was talking about on the much higher time frames. Either way, I'm still primarily looking for shorts at the end of 3 wave pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.